So this is the box where I store all of my clay supplies in. I believe it came from Hobby Lobby, and it is the Options brand, if you can see here. And I'm gonna open up and show you how I store everything. So it does open up like this and have the multiple tiers. So I'll start with the top. And then I have some cookie cutters over here, a heart and a star, and my sandpaper underneath some mini flat nose pliers, and a waffle mold. These are just some smaller molds, like a cupcake one, a star, and some foil. My gold and silver eye pins, or eye screws I mean, and some scrap clay. These are actually what I use for the eyes of my charms. So they're just the larger size micro marbles. And a random mini bottle. And these are tips to one of my tools for this Sculpey tool. So then you just stick it on. And then I have some assorted cookie cutters. And then in here, I have my blades, my toothbrush, paint brushes, blending tools, needle tools, dotting tools, etc., etc. And then in my second layer, I have a bunch of different molds. Most of these molds are also available in my shop, so I will leave the link down below. And some hand sanitizer in case I need to clean my hands or surface area. And then I have some toothpicks. These are all different liquid, like frosting mixtures. And along with these ones, like this is some purpley red for dessert sauce. So then I have like my puffy heart mold or wing mold. And then nothing over here yet besides these little chocolate chip shavings. And then down here is where I store all of my actual clay. So I just have it in these Ziploc bags, and then I have my chalk pastels in here as well. And my larger needle nose, or my larger pliers, which I don't actually need 2 pairs. And so I just have it all in here. And a few extra needle tools that wouldn't fit in the top. Or dotting tools, I mean. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box for links to my shop, social media, and more.